Now we will discuss the MCQs of your chapter. So the first MCQ is, the study of the relationship of the organism to their environment is known as biology, ecology, zoology and mycology. The right option is option B, ecology. Second has, similar group of individuals which can interbreed and produce organisms of their own called population, community, species या succession. The right option is option C, succession. Third है, when living and non-living interact to produce a stable system in which exchange of material with flow of energy take place, it form environment, ecosystem, stable community या ecological succession. Right option है option B, ecosystem. Fourth है, the living organism which can prepare their own food are predator, parasite, producer या prey. The right option is option C, producers. Fifth है, the living organism which cannot prepare their own food but obtain ready-made food from the others are called primary and secondary consumer. Secondary and tertiary consumer, only primary consumers, yet option D, consumers. The right option is option D, consumers. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. Now we will discuss the short questions of this chapter.